Can I lose weight through Cardio Miracle? What about using it as a meal replacement?
You could. I mean, you certainly could because it does. I mean, we're talking about fruits and vegetables here. So, it has over 58 whole and organic fruits and vegetables in there. And so, some people could use it as a meal replacement. I don't know that you would get the necessary calories as far as carbs and fats and proteins, obviously. But what what I did with my weight loss, my 200-pound weight loss, is I simply just, you know, used it during my fasting time so I could fast longer. And
Yes.
so with my intermittent fasting, I would only have a 4 hour eating window and I would eat strict keto during that time, which is also kind of controversial in itself. So it just depends on what your goals are and what you're trying to accomplish. And so I went from 10, 12,000 calories a day, down to like 2,500. So I'm an extremist, obviously, and I lost a lot of weight, but I've also walked, like I told these guys before we got on air, I came to the hospital with 12,500 steps and right now I'm at 23,700 because I'm just pacing. So, I'm a big walker. Yesterday I did 33,000 steps. So,
Wow.
it all depends on what your goals are. So, yeah.